வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது கிளாஸ் 8 யூனிட் 8 ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஆஃப் விமன் இன் இந்தியா த்ரூ த ஏஜஸ் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் அண்ட் ஐயரோட திங்கிங் கொஷின். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one. Dash society is constantly changing with additions, assimilations and omissions from within and outside. Option A, human. Option B, animal. Option C, forest. Option D, nature. So here the correct answer is option A, human. Second one, the first women doctor in India was option A, Dharmambal. Option B, Muthulakshmi Ammayar. Option C, Moovalur Ramamridam. Option D, Pandita Ramabai. Here the correct answer is option B, Muthulakshmi Ammayar. Third one, the practice of sati was abolished in dash. Option A, 1827. Option B, 1828. Option C, 1829. Option D, 1830. The correct answer is option C, 1829. Fourth one, B.M. Malabari was a dash. Option A, teacher. Option B, doctor. Option C, lawyer. Option D, journalist. Here the correct answer is option D, journalist. Fifth one, which of the following were the reform movement? Option A, Brahma Samaj. Option B, Pratana Samaj. Option C, Arya Samaj. Option D, all the above. Here the correct answer is option D, all the above. Sixth one, the Bethune School was founded in dash by J.E.D. Bethune. Option A, 1848. Option B, 1849. Option C, 1850. Option D, 1851. Here the correct answer is option B, 1849. Seventh one, which commission recommended to start primary schools for girls in 1882? Option A, Woods. Option B, Welby. Option C, Hunter. Option D, Mudiman. Here the correct answer is option C, Hunter. Eighth one, Sarada's child marriage bill fixing the minimum marriageable age for girls at dash. Option A, 11. Option B, 12. Option C, 13. Option D, 14. Here the correct answer is option D, 14. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash society was set up by the Christian missionaries in 1819. The answer is Calcutta Female Juvenile. Second one, dash of Sivaganga fought bravely against the British. The answer is Velu Nachiyar. Third one, Servants of India Society was started by dash. The answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Fourth one, dash was the one of the greatest social reformer of Tamil Nadu. The answer is Periyar E.V.R. Fifth one, Kandguri Veerasalingam published a journal called dash. The answer is Vivekavardhini. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Theosophical Society, Annie Besant. Second one, Sarada Sadan, Pandita Ramabai. Third one, Wood's Dispatch, 1854. Fourth one, Niccolo Conti, Italian traveler. Fifth one, Dowry, social evil. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, women were honored in Rig Vedic period. Answer is true. Second one, Devadasi system was a social evil. The answer is true. Third one, Rajaram Mohan Roy was the pioneer of Indian social reform movement. The answer is true. Fourth one, reservation of 23% to women envisaged an improvement in the socio-political status of women. The answer is false because reservation of 33%. Fifth one, the age of marriage was raised for boys and girls by the Sarada Act of 1930. The answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, choose the correct statement. First one, find out the correct pair. Option A, Women's University, Professor D.K. Karve. Option B, Justice Ranade, R.S. Samaj. Option C, Widow Remarriage Act 1855. Option D, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Delhi. So here the correct pair is option A, Women's University, Professor D.K. Karve. Second one, find the odd one out. Option A, child marriage. Option B, Sadi. Option C, Devadasi system. Option D, widow remarriage. So here the odd one is option D, widow remarriage. Third one, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Begum Ashrat Mahal, Rani Lakshmi Bai led an armed revolt against the British. Statement 2. Velinachar of Sivaganga, Tamil Nadu fought bravely against the British. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Option A, statement 1 only. Option B, statement 2 only. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here the correct answer is option C, 1 and 2. That is statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Fourth one, assertion. Rajaram Mohan Roy is most remembered by all Indians. Reason. He wiped out the evil practice of sati from the Indian society. Option A and R are wrong. Option B, A is correct and R is wrong. Option C, A is correct and R explains A. Option D, A is correct and R does not explain A. So here the correct answer is option C, A is correct and R explains A. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Name the prominent leaders who fought for the upliftment of women. Question number 2. List out some social evils. Question number 3. Who were the notable women during the medieval period? Question number 4. Mention the important women freedom fighters of India. Question number 5. Give a note on Sati. Roman letter 7. Answer the following. First one. Trace the role of women in freedom struggle. Question number 2. Explain the contribution of the social reformers for the eradication of social evils. We should explain about Rajaram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Kankuri Veerasalingam, M.G. Ranade and B.M. Malabari, Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Periyar E.V.R. and women reformers. Question number 3. Give a detailed account on the impact of reform movement, the legislation and the provisions.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.